Sir, you know that the economy of Pakistan is the backbone of our country. We can make our country prosperous if our farmer is prosperous, safe and satisfied. We can give protection to our farmer by using this stick. While doing work in his field, farmer have many risks. He have risk of being eaten by some harmful insect or some poisonous animal. We have applied a vibratory motion in it which can vibrate when farmer will put this stick on the land. Due to this vibration, the insects will run away. And we have also applied a LED light in it. If farmer is working in the fields in night, he can switch off this light. For charging this light, I have applied a solar panel in it. By using this solar panel, it can charge directly without any electricity in fields. I have also applied a charging kit in it. Farmer can charge it in his house. I have also made some space in it for the farmer to place his money, watch, etc. Sir, you know is the sunnah of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. When I focus on the Qurani ayat that Allah ordered Hazrat Musa to put his stick on land so that this stick become into a big snake and which eat all those little snakes produced by the little magicians. I will be informed about it due to this motion sensor. When there is any illegal activity in the fields or and at the place where his animals are present, such as cows, buffaloes, etc., so he will be informed due to this vibratory motion. When there is any illegal motion, this will produce a sound by a bell which we use as an output. So if we appreciate this stick, we can protect our farmer. अगर वो किसान ने रात के वक्त आबपाशी करनी है या फिर अपनी फसल की हिफाजत के लिए रात मुरब्बे में ही गुजारनी है, तो ये अपने इसको ऑन करके ये लाइट भी जला सकता है. मैंने एक एलईडी लाइट लगा दी है. एक एलईडी लाइट इधर लगी हुई है जो कि चलेगी. अब एक मैंने इधर मोशन सेंसर भी लगाया है जिसको मैंने आर्डिनो सर्किट के साथ अटैच किया. आर्डिनो सर्किट वो सर्किट होता है जो किसी भी सर्किट से इंफॉर्मेशन लेता है, उसको प्रोसेस करता है और आउटपुट को इंफॉर्मेशन भेजता है. जब किसान रात के वक्त सोया होता है तो ये अपनी चारपाई के साथ इस स्टिक को रख सकता है, और जब इर्द गिर्द कोई भी इलीगल मूवमेंट होती है या कोई चोर वगैरह आ जाता है तो ये मोशन सेंसर जो होगा आर्डिनो सर्किट को इंफॉर्मेशन भेजेगा और इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस होगी और आर्डिनो सर्किट इसको आउटपुट को भेज देगा. यहाँ आउटपुट एक बेल लगी हुई है. जब भी कोई इलीगल मूवमेंट होगी तो ये बेल बजना शुरू हो जाएगी. गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए कि फार्मर स्टिक को इनकरेज कर